right, so here I have a drawing. We're going to take and make this into a sectional view. So once I have my drawing made, the first thing I want to do is go drawing from design. Make sure I select my template. Click OK. At this point now, I'm going to place this into my drawing template. So I want to come over here. I want to select a top view. And then I'm actually going to scale this up to 1:1. Okay, it's pretty big. And then once I have that, I'm going to click OK. All right, so here is my object. Place. Okay, we want a top view because we actually want to cut this in half. All right, and so at this point now, I'm going to come up here to the top left. Okay, and I'm going to select the section view. Now, the first thing it wants me to do is select what view I want to section. Okay, and then once I have that, I can pick a point. So I'm going to pick the midpoint, and generally speaking, it's going to guide you to a midpoint because it understands what it is that you are sectioning. Okay, so I'm going to connect those two snaps, and I'm going to click the check button. It's then going to give me my object. Okay, so when it gives me the object, it's going to ask me to place my section view. All right, once I have that, set it. Okay, now I set this with hidden lines. Those lines aren't really necessary, so I'm actually going to come in here and take them out. Okay, and now you'll see here I have the section view. Now over down here is some text that's explaining what view we're looking at. So I'm actually going to take that text and put it on top. Okay, and it's just giving me the scale of that view. Okay, and telling me what it is I'm looking at. At this point now, I'm going to dimension this view. Because that is the point of doing this. I'm also going to come in here and adjust my document setting, sheet setting, dimension units, there we go. Dimension units, and I'm going to change these to fractional. Give me an eighth of an inch here. Okay, all right. So in an instance like this, I can always come in and adjust my font. Because I don't need it that big, and it gives me a little more room then to update my drawings as needed. So at this point, I'm just going in here and I'm formatting away. That's weird. I really shouldn't do that. That's fine. That's how Fusion was formatted. It's fine. All right, and there you pretty much have it. If I wanted to come in here and put some dimension breaks in, I could. All right, but there you go. It's pretty straightforward. Again, the point of this is to be able to show the relative depths here in a way that we can't just with a typical side view on this object.